we are Team Weak, because that's our initials. And so there are medication shortages, pharmacy stock, like gauging pharmacy stock, and difficulty refilling the prescriptions is a big problem for a lot of doctors, providers, as well as patients. And doctors don't want to be spending so much time calling these pharmacies to see what's in stock, what isn't, and you just end up wasting a lot of time. And the doctors also don't want to send patients to pharmacies that don't necessarily have the medication in stock. And so rather than spending like 10 minutes on every call to all these pharmacies, why not just take 1 minute and to gather all that stock data and refer the patient to that? And so today we are introducing StockScout, which is an AI medical stock database, which will gather all this pharmacy stock data and help make that easier to find what's in stock and what isn't. And so what the doctors will see is you'll get the visit information, and from that it'll pull in the corresponding medication, and StockScout will then pull in the pharmacies that match the preferred location data or pharmacy locations, and from there it will then you can then select the pharmacy you want and confirm the order.
And so while the doctor is spending time with the patient interacting in person, on the back end, what we're doing is using a tool like bland.ai to make an automatic call to a pharmacy, navigate their IVR menu system, and ask a human about the availability of that product. So here is an actual call.
Press 1, no, or press 2. 1 moment while I transfer you to the pharmacy for assistance.
Hello?
Hello, I am calling from Dr. Anderson's office to check if you have clotrimazole 0.5% ointment in stock.
Yes, the ointment, let me check.
Thank you.
We only have the cream in stock, not the ointment.
Okay, thank you for checking. I appreciate your help.
And so we did calls with all of these pharmacies in the local area.
And we talked to the CEO of Virtual Care Clinic this morning, got feedback. This clinic has done 100,000 of these pharmacy calls, and to quote him, "Holy shit, this is amazing." They've invited us to share this with their ops team this week.
And so the interesting next steps are deploy this with real clinics, right? Get user feedback. This problem of stock checking for prescriptions is not that different from the problem of stock checking for appointments with specialists. Extending to that is pretty natural. And while we're doing this, we're building up history data about stock of companies and their availability of prescriptions. So now we can do interesting stuff around predictive analytics. Thanks, that's StockScout.